Toshiba is a renowned brand in the electronics industry with a global presence. They offer a variety of air purifiers in their product lines, and in this review, we'll evaluate the Toshiba CAF-Z45FR, a tower-based Toshiba air purifier. Even though it has a slightly outdated design, it's still worth exploring and reviewing. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This air purifier requires some basic preparation before its first use. Begin by removing all protective straps and foils from the device. Next, prepare the filter by opening the filter cover on the back, pulling it out, and removing it from the plastic wrap. Then, place the filter back into the device and close the back cover. Your Toshiba is now fully prepared. Finally, place it in the desired location. Plug it in and turn it on. At first glance, this Toshiba air purifier appears somewhat outdated with its predominantly black color and industrial design. It's a tower-shaped air purifier with air inlets on the back and air outlets on the front. A convenient carrying handle on top makes it easy to move the device from one place to another. Keep in mind that this is one heavy air purifier. The controls and indicators are located on the top, featuring 3 buttons: power, UV light and filter reset indicator, and fan speed. An LED light above the buttons indicates the option state. You can find more information about this air purifier at airpurifierfirst.com. Unfortunately, there's nothing much to say about this air purifier's features. It has almost no features, and the only feature worth mentioning is the filter reset indicator, which will let you know when it's time to replace the filter. However, the US version of this model can connect with Amazon Alexa, which enables voice control, but it doesn't offer much more than that. In the sea of smart air purifiers, it's somehow devastating that such a device doesn't have at least the basic features. The Toshiba CAF-Z45FR has a 3-stage filtration technology. The rectangular filter covers almost the entire backside of the device. The first filtration stage is a combination of a pre-filter and carbon filter, designed to trap large particles and neutralize odors. The second stage, the True HEPA filter, removes 99.97% of airborne particles 0.3 microns in size, such as smoke, pet dander, mold, pollen, allergens, and dust. The final stage is a UV light, intended to kill germs and airborne viruses, according to the manufacturer. The efficiency of the UV light could be further enhanced if it had a higher wattage than just 2 watts. The filters are of decent quality, but the lack of a pellet-based carbon filter affects the device's performance in neutralizing bad odors. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The filters on the Toshiba air purifier aren't washable, so you have to change them from time to time. The True HEPA filter lasts about 12 months, while the carbon filter lasts about 3 months. What's great is that this air purifier has a filter reset indicator, so you don't have to track when it's time to replace the filter manually. The filter replacing procedure is straightforward. First, turn off and unplug the device. Then remove the cover on the back and pull out the old filter from the device. It would be a good idea to vacuum inside the device for potential dust collected. Next, unpack the new filter, place it inside the air purifier, and reset the filter reset indicator by pressing the UV light button for 3 seconds. The air purifier has low, medium, and high speed. Using a specialized noise measurement tool, we measured noise levels at all speeds on the dBA scale. At low speed, it produces 45.3 dBA. At medium speed, 50.2 dBA, and at high speed it produces a sound of 55.4 dBA. While it operates quietly at higher speeds, at low speed it is louder than expected, making it less suitable for bedrooms or other quiet spaces. The Toshiba CAF-Z45FR is a medium-sized air purifier with a 53-watt motor for the EU market and a 58-watt motor for the US version. At high speed, it consumes 50.5 watts of power, translating to an electrical cost of approximately $4.40 per month if used 24 hours daily at high speed. Analysis of CADR and power usage indicates that there are similar air purifiers with better optimized motors and larger CADR within the same price range. In addition to power costs, replacement filter costs should also be considered, which luckily doesn't need to be changed very often. Although the filters don't need frequent replacement and aren't too expensive, we believe this Toshiba air purifier could be more affordable for maintenance. The Toshiba CAF-Z45FR air purifier covers rooms of up to 222 square feet, cleaning the air 4.8 times per hour in a room of the recommended size. We tested its performance in rooms of different sizes. In a 194 square foot room, smaller than the recommended dimensions, the air purifier improved air quality by about 94% after 60 minutes of working at high speed. In a 320 square foot room, larger than the recommended size, the air purifier achieved a 91% improvement in air quality after 60 minutes of working at high speed. Overall, the Toshiba air purifier performed well in these tests. However, due to not having a pellet-based carbon filter, it struggled to neutralize bad odors efficiently. In the following seconds, you'll find out how much time is needed for this air purifier to remove all the smoke from the smoke box. This is the first air purifier from Toshiba that we have tested. Despite its slightly outdated design and lack of advanced features, it offers good filtration technology at an affordable price. However, it fell short in some tests, delivering weaker results than expected. But it performed well in overall performance tests, utilizing a high-quality True HEPA filter and a UV light. Considering its specifications and test results, it's okay, but definitely not the best option on the market. You can find many other air purifier reviews on the Air Purifier First website or channel. All links can be found in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. That's it for now.